I don't know if we're in for another change. What we've observed over the last 2 months or so in Bay Area throughout for single family homes is almost flat to a little bit of a price appreciation in comparison to what we've been seeing, prices going through the roof month over the last God knows how long. As far as the condominium and the townhouse market, things have been strong as well, still recovering from the COVID pandemic, especially condos. So strong month over month, bit of a price uptick. What we've seen over the last week is that while the same number of buyer groups goes through the home and views it for the purposes of buying it, it tends to translate into more offers and at a higher price. In other words, let's say the same number of buyer groups saw a property for sale a month ago versus this past weekend. What we've observed over the last week is that more actual offers are received. So more buyers are pulling the plug and actually giving an offer. And on top of that, that's the kicker, the price they're offering is materially higher. And it's not like one stands out or two stand out, quite a few stand out. So the offer spread has changed. It's really too soon to tell. It's just one weekend, very big change, and this is something that I price watch every single week. Let's see how it plays out in the coming months. Part of the explanation could be, I'm just guessing, could be that as we enter into the fall months, our inventory starts to go down naturally with seasonality. Think of inventory as a normal bell curve almost, with inventory peaking in the summer and being at its lowest during the Christmas and Thanksgiving time. And the difference is about double essentially. So we're in the months of September now, and inventory is starting to taper off versus the summer, kind of what we had in the spring. Maybe that's a driver. Maybe a contributing factor is the fact that the Federal Reserve is expecting to do something about those interest rates, maybe nudge them up a little bit higher. We shall see. Nothing's going to be done overnight, nothing crazy as far as interest rates jumps, probably as expected by the market, but it will trickle up, which will eat into that affordability. Something to keep an eye on. Hope this helps, and see you next time.